Orlando Pirates are desperate for the league. And for me, their desperation makes them very dangerous. Ayiki team khona manje ku PSL that is as desperate as Orlando Pirates for the league. Like, it's been season after season after season, Orlando Pirates iqeda number 2. Mara this season, uyabona ukuthi bayifuna. And if they don't win it this season, they must forget it. They will never win it ever again in the history of the club. Maybe bangayina nathi maseskholi pension. This is the season. If Orlando Pirates can't win it this season, Bafethu to coach up Tesla Mawadi would have failed. So when the season started, ihambile Orlando Pirates a shy wholesale signing. Sign every player that was on form from all teams ku PSL. Every player by signing this season Orlando Pirates kula team by signing from on. Ama players forming. Tsebang Moremi was on form lapha kaMaZulu. Sihle Ndulwe was the captain ku Stellenbosch, was on form. We also have Kamkhelo Sibelebele was on form ku TS Galaxy Mike Mamosh. We also have playing on the left hand side Ozona Police, who was on form for Ipulukwane City. You understand? They went and hunted players that were on form because they saw a situation like Ekaya, to know we're competing against Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns have the depth. And another thing that makes Mamelodi Sundowns stand out is they also go hunt for players that are on form. Even when they go to South America, they might sign players who come from smaller teams in South America. Mara lala machita soka kon, basoka basefomin. So the Orlando Pirates basha copy and paste of exactly what Mamelodi Sundowns does. They went and hunted for the right players. CP credit lo muntu lo shaya is scouting. Bahambile basayina coach CP credit lo muntu lo shaya coaching, because what makes Coach Abdeslam Mawadu special or different from other coaches is the fact that he's a player before he's a coach. Uyabona machita nawo korilwa kichimi yako touchline. He even forgets ukuthi coach sekushota ukuthi ashelele nabo chichirize nabo ante yakhohle nokuthi ufake embele white. And you see nano mibhola liphuma lapha ufuna ukushama chest rap ufuna ukuliteka, you can see that before he is a coach he is a player, which makes him special. Mara if this season Orlando Pirates doesn't win the league, abafethu angisazi ukuthi kwamele ukuthi bayenzeni. Maybe kusekumele bakhipha ama 20 million nabo bayo sign abo Lyon, abanye abo Lyon le America, or maybe kumele bayolanda uMessi lapha ku Inter Miami eze azoshaya situation change lapha ku Orlando Pirates. The only thing eyona nto eyi1 enkwatisayo okwamanje ngocoach Abdeslam Mawadu, rotation. Bamsayinela ama player right. He has the depth, he has the quality, it's looking promising, but he's the one that's destroying equality yakhe. You may find, for example, a player like Dala namhlanje, he scores important goals for the club, creates a chance sharp for the club, then next game uhlele benchini. By the time this player has to play again, uDlala akaseko motivated, then akasadlali kahle. So this rotation is killing us. And besino skipper vandag in studio. The last Orlando Pirates captain to have won the league, Happy Chele. He explained how they won the league. Uscheli logo to know. Well, it's different now because of how lama analyst wakhona nama physio na bastadisha ngakhona ama player bazokutshela ukuthi no, this player has run this much this season, so he needs a break, so he can't play next game. None. But he agreed that there's a lot of similarities between this current Orlando Pirates team ne team yabo. Layer we need double treble. So it's looking likely, it's looking promising. The only problem khona manje sina lapha ku Orlando Pirates is certain players not getting enough game time. Kabelo Dlamini remains the longest serving player ku Orlando Pirates. William Chita, that is the most kept player ku Orlando Pirates khona manje. He's played the longest seasons ukubahlula bonke lapha ku Orlando Pirates, but he's not getting enough game time. A player like that is important for the team because he understands what it's like to fall short ku title race. He understands what it's like to only win trophies ezingabalekanga. Asikhulumeni iqiniso, kumnandi win MTN8 but it's not an important trophy. Kumnandi win Carling knockout but it's not an important trophy. In Nedbank Cup ne league ama trophy abalekile because ama trophy lawa that are considered by CAF, ama trophy that are considered by FIFA. So Ukabelo Dlamini not getting enough game time worries me. And it concerns me because you have a player who plays in number 10, he's creative. You have a player on Tswembunga ball distribution, upeti player wazukushama set piece, upeti player otandwa I crowd. This is one of the players right now ku Orlando Pirates who play the number 10 role better than Utito Maswangani. He's a player who plays in number 10 role better than Udiong. Udiong futmela buyele ku Stellenbosch angifuna nokhuluma ngaye. If you have Relebohile Mofokeng and Kabelo Dlamini competing for that number 10 position, a competition akhona izoba mnandi. So I feel like we're doing a disservice to Kabelo Dlamini by not giving him enough game time. And asiyekeni lento le of kuya ku social media ngoba team idlale kahle namhlanje bese sakhohla ukuthi mara coach cishe sadliwa. And the last buy ekhona kula nala. Another player who I believe needs to get enough game time manje, uThabiso Sesane. Thabiso Sesane is 10 times better than Nkosinathi Sibisi. He defends better, upasa better. He knows how to mark his space better than Nkosinathi Sibisi, and angeke ubone bamzumile akhamisile athe because uqeda ukudlisa or uqeda ukwenza mistake. I've seen there's a picture kaNkosinathi Sibisi, you can google it. Aqeda ukudlisa ku AFCON. Savele isithombe sakhona aqeda ukudlisa against Mamelodi Sundowns. Savele isithombe sakhona aqeda ukudlisa against Polokwane City. Only difference is that lapho besekafaki bandish. So we don't want to see that picture again. What's important now for Coach Abdeslam Moadu is he needs to understand this is that time of the season where you need to have a solid starting 11. I'll use Mamelodi Sundowns as an example. From his card, Pitso Mosimane. Pitso Mosimane had a starting 11 that played for him, Magadali League. He had a starting 11 that he used to play ICAF. He had a starting 11 that he used to play domestic competitions. But why? Because he's played in those conditions before. Because you understand that playing at that level. That's why Pitso Mosimane became so successful. Mamelodi Sundowns. Rulani Mukwena, he had so much depth that he had players that he'd use for Abogo, MTN8, Abo Nedbank Cup, He had players that he'd use for the league, and he'd have players that he used for ICAF. So you can't tell me Abdeslam Moadu until Manji. Over 15 games with Orlando Pirates. Balama game competition. Over 15 games with Orlando Pirates. Namanj, Coach Abdeslam Moadu doesn't have a starting 11. Namanj, Agagabne starting 11. Urud Kroll, when he won the league, no Orlando Pirates, he had a solid starting 11. When the second double treble came under Acosto Palicios, you knew number 10 was Fisomieni, it defense, Happy Chele, Lucky Lukwat. You knew Gutabo Siabonga Sangweni were there to help get depth their corner. But was Gutabo Pensin Mhlong on Aboban Bangenanini, Badalanini. But we can't say the same right now about Coach Abdeslam Moadu. He's doing well. The only concern is what happens if his luck runs out? Because this is exactly what happened to Kaizer Chiefs. When the season started, Kaizer Chiefs, beba shy finder lama coach, beba nenhlanhla ba winning ngama 1-0, ba winning ngama offside, ba winning ngama penalty, bega ref is on their side. Until things took a twist. Now my supporter realized, no, man, inkinga lama coach lawa, ba rotator too much. And this is costing the team. So, all I'm saying is Coach Abdeslam Moadu is a very good coach. Definitely one of the best coaches, Orlando Pirates, and then he's been successful. Saka winning MTN8, we winning calling knockout. But when it comes to the league, this is the time where we need a solid starting 11. Because if you don't have a solid starting 11, namhlanje qalo rasibucha. Lo muntu lo uqona ukudlala ngazi sinenini in the season uyangena uyaqala namhlanje siyadliwa. Sinenini Diong is the striker, sinenini Yanela Mbuthuma is the striker, sinenini Evidence Mahupa, sinenini Sesambisi Tsegofatso Mabasa, sinenini we playing Cameron Denson, sinenini we playing uMakhehleni Makaula, nenini uTalente Ma, nenini awu nenini Masindi Nemtatshela. Hey, lento yakhe ama finder no. Lento yakhe ama finder must end now. Hambila sign ama player okumarumo Gallants that Pirates didn't need. And I'll be honest, Pirates didn't need Uchabatsana. Pirates didn't need Masindi Nemtatshela. He's doing nothing different to Talente Mbat. Pirates didn't need Daniel Msembani. Futhi he hasn't offered fuck all to the team. Pirates didn't need Andre de Jong. He nagayenzelai for Orlando Pirates. These players, Zemarumo Gallants, Pirates didn't need those guys. We had the squad, we had the quality. Take Sipho Mbule, take Tsebang Muremi, take Ozwenapolis, take Bonke Lababanya Basaini Wabashaba Bolibone Siema. Take all of those guys and form a team. Add them onto the team, Leaga Jose Rivero, the team that reached the final CAF Champions League, the team that contended for E-League last season. Take that team and build something off that team, and then uhlanganise nalama player match. Le ntwana zakuma Rumo Gallants leza zenzi next for Orlando Pirates. And this thing yama jersey number Orlando Pirates, well, Kaizer Chiefs too, is important. I don't understand how Masindi Nemtatshela wears that number 15 jersey yaga Vilakazi. I don't understand how Masindi Nemtatshela wears that number 15 jersey yaga Andile Charlie. I honestly don't understand. Masindi Nemtatshela usuka le one season nyana ngoma Rumo Gallants ufika Orlando Pirates akagqoka jersey number ebaluleke kangaka. Well, it makes sense. Tsebang Muremi wearing number 11. Teko Modise wore the number 11. Teko Modise was effective for Pirates, scored important goals, and so does Tsebang Muremi. Teko Modise played at national level. Tsebang Muremi is playing at national level now. But if you ask me, I would have given that number 11 to Ozwenapolis. So, Coach Abdeslam Moadu, namhlanje Orlando Pirates are playing Richards Bay. This is the same team that gave Kaizer Chiefs a tough time. This is the same team edli Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs being a cabang no bangadliyo. If you rotate tonight, Orlando Pirates might be second on the log. And once Mamelodi Sundowns yaba phambili ngama points, it becomes an issue. Rather babe phambili ngama goal not ama points. You'd rather be behind Mamelodi Sundowns ngama goal not ama points, because once bavula le gap le ama point, asechayile bafethu. So siyacela Coach Abdeslam Moadu, do the right thing. Vandag, play your solid starting 11. And let me give you starting 11 that can bring let me give you the starting 11 that can bring E-League to Orlando Pirates. Sipho Chain, one of the best goalkeepers in the Betway Premiership, has the most clean sheets this season. I mean, Uriad Peterson Saka considered. So Sipho Chain holds the record. Ogamanje. Right back, play Thabiso Libito. or Dino van Rooyen. I'm fine with either one of the two. But if I had to choose, I'd go for Dino van Rooyen. Number one, he plays that position better. He knows how to drop back. Uyamaka, uyakwazi ukufeed in midfield. Uyakwazi to overlap Ashama cross and still come back. And he makes it easy for whoever is playing ahead of him to play. So Dino van Rooyen at right back. Center back, Lebone Siema. What he offers you, Lebone Siema uyakwazi ukupasa. And Ulibone Siema played so well Nombekeze Mbokazi that he learned Uguti when you have the ball, if in midfield was not making it happen, you can jump from as a defender, you can jump in midfield, Wiseguma attack, you can jump in midfield and when a feed, I'm a wing wako. Because Ulibone Siema also, another thing about him, he knows how to score goals from range. So you need a player like that. Might not be the strongest good defense, but I'm happy with him just covering space because not everyone Melasha meant to men marking. Next to Ulibone Siema, you play Thabiso Sesane. Not Nkosinathi Spies. Thabiso Sesane. That position is rightfully Thabiso Sesane's. It's just because he was injured. And Kumbulu Thabiso Sesane was a favorite. Yaga Hugo Bruce Kubafana Bafana. Thabiso Sesane was a very solid defender for Orlando Pirates. Kumbula Shai 360-10 Lapazdala ne Cape Town City. Babi striker Sahamba Saele. Thabiso Sesane. Good on and off the ball. Left back Dion Hoto. Hardworking guy. Undaba still has to gain experience. Undaba na ungidinile since amesele ya penalty nje angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngayo akakahleli bench kancane alungisa umqondo wakhe. And then Dion Hoto runs up and down. Ubhizi kule left layout Dion Hoto. Another thing that makes Dion Hoto special is that actually he's an attacker. So if you have someone who knows how to attack, that knows how to defend also. So uyazi ukuthi he gives you numbers in attack and he gives you numbers in defense. And une skill uHoto. So when he has to take players on, he can help take players on. Midfield. Benzothi Sihle Nduli, unfortunately he's injured. Makehleni Makaula and Talente Mbatha. That's the midfield pair that's always worked for you Orlando Pirates. That's the angazi nokuthi ngithini. Ngathi ngafika ngiyelapha eGymini ngibamba ucoach ngitibeka la nawo ama player wakho. Dlala Makehleni Makaula, Talente Mbatha as double number 6. Talente Mbatha uzopusha up and down and then Makehleni Makaula uzostika. Makehleni Makaula obviously siyamazi ukuthi dangerous ngama dead ball. He becomes the first line of defense. Left wing play Tsepang Muremi. Tsepang Muremi is good kule left layer. Uya crosser, uya shooter, might not be the most skillful. Unenhlanhla yokuthatha ama player. Shema yakwazi ukuthatha player likhahlele bese defender liwe. So lenhlanhla yakhe sayidinga okwamanje. So play Tsepang Muremi. Right wing Ozunapolis. Ozunapolis is strong playing on the left, yes, I know. But I game mayiqala, play him on the right. Because Magadala on the right, sididi defense yethu. They become confused with Ozunapolis ugo right, gumnandi. And I like this thing Tsepang Muremi where they switch. This is how I'm a winger play. Guti. When we start Ozunapolis on the right, Tsepang Muremi on the left, 15 minutes into the game by a switch. Towards the end of the game, they go back to their rightful positions. So Manchester Dita, I'm a defender because Ozunapolis guarantees you a goal. Cutting in from the right, Ushanga Pagati. Tsepang Muremi cutting in from the left, Ushanga Pagati. So dlalisa ngale ndlela leyo. Number 10, Relebohile Mofokeng. Akekho munye. No Sipho Mbule, no Tito Maswanganyi, no anyone. Relebohile Mofokeng. President Ama 2K. Play him go number 10. The best number 10 in the country right now because Tembazwana ngitsabona ukuthi ngathi yaphela career. Relebohile Mofokeng. Play him as a number 10. If Sibonile Relebohile Mofokeng going namhlanje stream ama TV. Sabano Relebohile Mofokeng adlala stream ama TV. Relebohile Mofokeng as the number 10. And then now Relebohile Mofokeng must start shooting. Lento ukuthi ufuna ukora amagoal offense wabo Neymar, it's not the time of the season. You will do that go calling knockout masidlala nabo Magesi or ku Nedbank nandlala nabo Chikuma lama team esingawazi because lapho uzodribula ama player 15 not at PSL level. Sifuna ama goal. When you get the chance to shoot, Relebohile Mofokeng mawubhekane nepala shooter. Yekela lento kuzama ukupass net. You're not going to be lucky all the time. Go for those goals mfana kithi. You want to go play in Europe. If you want to go play a Europe back sign a goal, they signed Mahankota because Mahankota makabhekane nepala, he goes for goal and begakor. And then a striking, Evidence Makgopa. I think Evidence Makgopa has to play. You need to give Evidence Makgopa more game time. We don't angithi nikhetha ukulona utsegofatsa mabasa angazi ukuthi bekudliwe lapha makanje utsegofatsa mabasa but fade. Lento edliwe meli down ekhishwe toilet kube right. Play Evidence Makgopa as the main strike. Then Yanela Mbuthuma can come on as a substitute. And I'll tell you why I say play Evidence Makgopa as the main striker. Evidence Makgopa abantu abaningi abama-understand. Evidence Makgopa abantu abaningi abama-understand. Evidence Makgopa is the kind of striker, yeah, he might not offer you a lot of goals, but he's the kind of striker that knows how to stretch its defense and make it easy for someone like Mofokeng and make it easy for someone like Tsepang Muremi or Ozunapolis to go for goal and score those important goals. And now Shem, when he's lucky, let him try isibhola lingene. So leya lucky yakhe leyana is something, you know. So for me, that's the starting 11 Coach Abdeslam Owadu must go with. If you are gonna make substitutions second half, I would sacrifice second half. Ila ake sesiyaqala sithi okay, Mfukeng athi sibone iskola in sithini manje. Sekwenzakalani? No. We need Tito Masanganye. But when you put him on now, Tito Masanganye, you keep Mfukeng. Play them as a double number 10. Mfukeng is right-footed, Tito Masanganye is left-footed. You understand? Play them as that double number 10. But teteleni ukuthi badlale ukuthi bayenzeni. Noma ningasithuka ku TikTok bafethu, nathi sinama opinion. Nathi ama opinion ethu abalekile njengawenu. Nathi nani ngabe nibona ngathi nina niyalazi ukusihlula thi hambani phela niyo coach aniyodlala but okusalayo sikhuluma ama facts baba. Sikhuluma izinto ezivunywa ama legend. Ningazosisabisa ngama comment nyana wena angasile. If you wanna talk football, join Let's Talk Football. Mawufuna ukuthukana namba uthukana le stradini. Asina sikhathi abantu abathukanayo. Sinabantu abafuna ukukhuluma ngebhola. Fighting no one trying to fix South African football. Ushilo uJohn Akanye. We are fixing our football. We want the best for our team. That's why nathi sikhuluma sithi asifuni lo adlala, sifuna lo adlala. We are not telling the coach who to play and who he must not play. So angazi nibona ngathi nilithatha igunya nokuthi nisiphaphele nizosithuka manje ngafuna usimamela abantu nomamela abantu beni abazokhuluma into enithandayo la sikhuluma into ethandayo yithi and I'm saying this is the team I think is best for Orlando Pirates kuthi wena uthini indawo kwakho namajazi wakho mfana kithi hambe uyozihenga anginandaba nawe. I care about Orlando Pirates, I care about winning the league. I don't care about ama comment nyana abantu abanama follower i5 ku TikTok ningazoba desperate for ama follower ngathi la. Orlando Pirates, this is the team we want to see play. If you are not happy with me saying what I'm saying, you are more than welcome. Ukucima uhambe uyobhekelela laba abazokulahlekisa. Nibhekelela abelungu abakhuluma ngebhola abangalazi. Ngazositshela ngabongamla. They don't know fuck all ngebhola lase South Africa. Yithi esilaziyo. Yithi esilibhekayo, yithi esilidlayo, yithi esigcwalisa istadium walibona abahlele endaweni zabo benzana nama content. Yithi esisuka sila silibhekelele. We the ones that understand it better. We see the game better than Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Makahlele adlala bo Diong, yithi esibona le mess ayidlalayo. Yena ubona into ayibona eJimini. We see the game for what it truly is. So, if Orlando Pirates want to remain title contenders, for me, this is not the time for the coach Ogutaba Lokapi that I think experiment, they think test. He's been very lucky, Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Very, very lucky. But sometimes luck runs out. And in football, you don't need luck all the time. Kunama coach khona manje asazi sponsor babawazi umsebenzi abawenza ukuthi this is the team that I need for me to win the league. This is the team for me I need for me to contend. Athi siboneni ke bafethu ukuthi nithini laba asina sikhatha laba abathukanayo. Laba abathukanayo. Nami nyazibuza Brian X Makaye Kavu, where is Thabiso Sesane? I've been asking myself, Thabiso Sesane, because he's fully injured. Instead, simbona hlele benchini or hlele mastenzini. And these are some of the things that worry us ukuthi when a player esmaziye ukuthi he's contributed so much to the club, done so much for the club and proven to the club ukuthi I'm worth playing for this club. Makangasatholi game times babona sebabalonelele and then the players just disappear. But you see players that haven't been with the club for a season long batholi game time. Ubona bo Daniel Msendama all of a sudden bayangena batholi isikhathi ukudlula abantu ekudala bakhona eteamini. We want the best for the club. Asikhulumi lezi zinto lezi because siyadelela or sizama ukuthukisa or sifuna abantu basilence in we are not doing this because uthando ebafethu. We are doing this because we are obsessed about the game. We want the best for Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns can't dominate South African football for 10 years in a row. Kunama team ayitu amakhulu Chiefs ne Pirates. I did a video yesterday ngatheki Chiefs and I wasn't attacking players because the players in ngiyabatshela ukuthi the players abadlalela Chiefs don't look serious. They don't look like they want to play for the team. Masindi Nemtshatshela hasn't offered anything to Orlando Pirates. Why is he still getting game time? We've seen what Kabelo Dlamini has done. He's a set piece specialist. Uyakwazi ucreate, uyakwazi upasa. If we are choosing players on merit, on form, then Masindi Nemtshatshela is definitely not better than Kabelo Dlamini. If we are choosing players based on merit and form, you can't tell me Daniel Msendama or you can't tell me Yanela Mbuthuma is better than Tsukhfatso Mabasa. It's a fair argument when we say ukuthi Tsukhfatso Mabasa deserves to be playing for Orlando Pirates more than Yanela Mbuthuma. Tsukhfatso Mabasa was close to breaking a record lapha Orlando Pirates. So who do you need more? Yanela Mbuthuma, who is finding his feet at the club, or someone who's been playing for the club consistently, scoring goals and winning us important games? Ezinye izinto mara bafethu sidinga ikamcabanga phela into idinga ikamcabanga kamthokakala ngesense man. Cabanga ukhuluma izinto ezi right. Athi if y'all don't prefer Sibisi, then why must he go to the World Cup? Angithi Brian Maslal no Hugo Bruce makakhethi skip. That's why I go World Cup. Maybe lo mbuzo ngabuza kahle ku Hugo Bruce. Angithi asihlali naye thina Hugo Bruce makakhethi scheme. Just like how asihlali no Hugo Bruce makangabizi Thembi Nkosi Lodge. But we all knew lesasikhathi especially lesikhathi asadlala lapha eAlgeria Lodge besimbona ukuthi umnandi solid. We all wanted Lodge to go, but Hugo Bruce chooses who he wants. But Tina, because when we watch a game, we see something different. Coach Abdeslam Moadu probably knows why he chooses Usbisi so many times. But yeah, he dies hard for the team. He dies hard for the team while the team is losing because of him. We feel like a team because we are at least. For me, Thabiso Sesane anytime. Thabiso Sesane anytime, Bafethu.